How's it, everyone? And thanks for being with me through this training. This first episode I'm going to take you through will be the registration of your USA business, your USA phone number, and your USA physical address, as well as the USA bank account, which will link to your payment gateway and allows you to actually accept payments online globally. Now, what's so valuable about this lesson is a lot of gurus actually charge for this information. Most people give free information in terms of how to run dropshipping or Facebook ads, but they don't give you the information on how to legitimately start a business and earn money online, which is what I'm doing in this course and specifically this training. So if you do find value, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you have any comments, suggestions, please do enter them in the comment box below. I'll leave a link to my website where you can get a free 30-minute dropshipping consultation call, as well as the link to my free ebook, which will have all these steps in it, as well as more helpful resources for you to follow. Please do follow the links, and let's get straight into the training. Alright guys, so the first thing we need to cover is the difference between a general and a niche store. A niche store is more like a genre store, and that is a specific group of products. For example, like the beauty niche or the sports niche, for example, or you can get very specific and within the beauty niche or within the sports niche, like have a soccer website or a website that sells soccer equipment and soccer gear. And the reason you would choose between the two is based on your experience. If you've got experience selling something before, I suggest you go with the niche store, because you know what sells and you know how to get the customer to buy that specific product, and you could build from there. Versus if you're a beginner, you'll need to test a couple of products, and you would probably start with the general store, like my store. So now just go to Google and check for domains for your business name, because now we're going to check if your business domain exists. You can get one. I just click on this. Alright, so it brings me here. I'll search for whatever my business name is. It'll basically show me if the domain's available or not. If the domain's available, we're gonna go straight into Gmail, create an email for that name, and then we're going to set up our website and our business with that name. If the domain is not available, we're going to keep checking and keep trying until we find a domain that is available. This one is not available, so I'll try again. Alright, so at this point I put in the name chits.tech to just see if it's available. It's available, so you don't do anything yet, or at least you know the domain's available. So now you're going to go create the Gmail account, create the business, and then we'll buy the domain through Shopify at a later stage. But at least you know it's available. Now we'll go back to to Google, and we just click on Gmail, sign up. When Gmail opens up, just create an account, insert your details. Here you're going to insert your business, your first name and last name, and username. You put your business name here, so whatever you want to call it. I have Violet Home International at Gmail. I would call this Chits Tech at Gmail. I'll put in a password. Okay, it seems the password is taken. The username is taken, so I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Password. Next, it'll bring you here, so just complete your phone number, your recovery email address, date, month, year, gender, etc. I'll complete this too, then I'll come back to the screen. So next you'll be brought here, privacy terms. Just go down to the bottom, agree to the terms, set up your email address. So congratulations, you have your Gmail email address. Just click OK. This is what it looks like for now. I created the email chitstech12345. This will obviously be your business email or your business name at gmail.com. All right, next we go back to Google and we look for DelawareInc.com. This is the business that's going to help register your USA business. What you could do is follow the links in the description. I've got all the links to all the websites that I talk about in this tutorial. Just follow the links in the description and you can go directly to the websites I'm talking about. I've already been there. It's this one here. At this point, this is when you're gonna first start spending money with regards to setting up your dropshipping store or your business. This is the company that sets your LLC. We're going for LLC because it's a limited liability company. This protects you privately from any sort of liability your business could be subject to. So we click here, form an LLC. As you see, it's $179 US. Complete your full name here, your real full name, your business email address goes here. You verify your email address there. You will not have a US phone number, but you could put in your international phone number here. So you just switch from US to international phone number. We're selecting a Delaware limited liability company, so that's selection term there. And then here you put in the exact name that you want for your business. So Shades Tech. So once done, this is what it will look like. Completed with all your details. Make sure you save and continue. It'll bring you to the communications contact page. Please complete everything here too. I'm gonna do the same. So this page is the legal communications contacts. So please be very careful to put in your real address, your real city, your real country. And then under shipping address, you use the same contact as a communications contact and the same for your annual notices. They'll be sending you all the annual notices for your business to these addresses. So make sure they're correct. Next, we save and continue. Next, you'll be brought to this page here where they show you the offers that they have for the value packs. We're just gonna go with the green. Click here on the left. Green, the 3 to 5 business day via email. Save and continue. If you want to expedite this formation of documents, you can. If you have $150 US extra, you could just click there and add that. Save and continue. It brings you here where you select the number of members in your business. Could be 1, 2 if you've partners, if you've got a spouse, etc. I'll just put 1 for simplicity of this tutorial. The member type, the member is an individual. If you have a company, it could be another company. I'm an individual. Put in my full names here. Put in any additional information here. I'll just put in my full name. Save and continue. Brings you to this page here. So what I think is very important at this stage is you understand that you need to get your federal tax ID, which is basically your EIN. This is what I refer to as your EIN. Make sure you get that. That allows you to set up your bank account and set up your payment gateway. This is the next page after you've saved and continued the last page. At the top, just to mention, you could change your language if you're in any other country up here. I speak English, so I'm going to leave it in English. On your left here is your cart, basically what you've added, which is the green package, the LLC information, the registration fees included, the state filing fees included. In that registration, they just show you what they do for you. And then there's no shipping and handling fees. And then lastly is your federal tax ID, which is your EIN. And that's $95 US. Total will be $274 US. In my ebook, I just round everything up for prudence sake. Once again, if you want a copy of the ebook, it'll be in the link of the description of the video below. If you are finding value in this video so long, please do subscribe to my channel. I will be releasing more videos with regards to e-com, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and content production. Please do like the video to get it shared to as many people as possible. And if you have any additions, comments, please do hit them in the comments section below the video. So a responsible party needs to execute this SS4 form. It's basically a company registration form, and this is again going to be your details or whoever you have as the primary member of the business. At the bottom here, identification number, US SSN or ITIN, you can just select do not have any and save and continue. Next, it brings you to this page here. Basically the EIN, principal place of business. Where will your place of business be? And here, if you read at the top, where is your corporation physically located? The physical location of your corporation can be anywhere in the world, but it cannot be a PO box, nor can it be the business that is registering this for use, which is in the state of Delaware. So this will be your home address or where you actually live. Again, we're registering this business as a foreign alien from abroad, so just put your private details there. And please give a brief description of your primary business activity. So what will you be into? E-commerce and drop shipping. You can insert that there. Do you have or expect to have any US employees in the next 12 months? I always click yes here because you never know if you need to work with someone in the US. It's just better to be cautious. Save and continue. These will be more questions for your EIN, employer identification number. So just complete this as well. When is the first date of wages will be filed? You could put this as the month you're starting your business. We're starting this in April, so I'll put this April 2021. The number of employees expected in the next 12 months, I'll just put 2. You can put 1. Maybe let's just change that to 1 for simplicity. Do you expect your employment total liability to be $1,000 or less? Well, you don't know that at this point, so I'll just say no. Save and continue. Brings you to this page, and there's this message, important, please read. So just read that. And basically what it's saying is you need to just confirm all the details. So the company name and personal information up here. That's your company name, that's your personal information. The package you've selected. The communications contact address for the annual notices, which will be your current actual real address, the members, the number of members, the EIN, if you want the EIN. Basically is highlighting that there's a summary of your whole application. I'm not really going to talk through everything. Just go to the bottom here. How did you hear about them? Friend referred me, which is me. I'm your friend. And then blog subscription. Do you want to subscribe to their blog? I always do, just to get the latest updates in terms of tax and changes to legislation. So you could do that, then continue to the next page. The next page is just the payment page. So just it confirms how much you're ordering there, and you can select either Visa or PayPal. I paid via Visa initially. If you have a PayPal account, you can use your PayPal account. Then just complete this with your billing information, your correct details, your payment information, your correct card details, etc. Then at the bottom here, you place your order. You have to tick the terms here on that I'm highlighting, and then you place your order. The place your order selection will then open after you've completed all the details. I'm not going to do this. I've already bought an LLC for my business, so I'll just leave this part to you. So congratulations guys, you own a business in the United States of America. You are now able to trade globally, open a US bank account, and receive money internationally quite easily. The next step will obviously be the payment gateway to accept money onto your website, but I'll show you that shortly. But before we dive into that, I just wanted to maybe answer a few questions on your mind, like, is it legal to own an LLC? And I just went to Google quickly and just to type in pros and cons of an LLC and an alien LLC, just to show you guys. So it is very legal to do it. This is illegal. Anyone's allowed to own a business in the US. You'll see it here. Anyway, you see it here where it states clearly both residents and non-resident aliens, as well as foreign persons and entities, may own an LLC within the United States. So it's a legal process. But again, I'm not a lawyer. I'm not here to be your law expert or your law counsel. I'm just telling you how I went through the process, and I'm just giving you answers to what's probably bothering you right now. The other thing is about tax related to the business, and as far as I know, and you could also get assistance from the Delaware Corporation. They give you advice in terms of taxation and financial advice, but generally you only will pay tax on income generated within the USA. So if you're drop shipping within the USA, you'll be required to pay tax there. If you're drop shipping within the UK or in let's say a European country, you'll be liable to pay tax of that country. But again, get proper legal advice. But once again, congratulations, and now we can move on to the next step in the training. All right, so the next step in the process is click the link to Text Now, which is the website we're gonna get our USA cell phone number with. When you click that link, it'll bring you to this page. When you get to this page, you can scroll down and sign up for free. This page will pop up and you can continue with your Google. Select one of your email addresses. I'll use this one. And once you do that, it should take you into Text Now. It'll bring you here. So when it brings you here, just make sure you put in your current country code or area code. This needs to be your real country where you live. I think this is for data collection purposes. So I'm in Namibia, I'm putting 264. If you're in Zimbabwe, 263. If you're in South Africa, plus 27, etc. Click continue. Might ask you for this quiz just to see a person, because it's a new email address. Make sure you complete it. Once you do that, it brings you in here, and congratulations, you now have a USA cell phone number. You can allow the notifications just in case someone calls you while you're on the laptop. It'll pop up on the side of your desktop here. So at this stage, make sure you copy your number. This is your US number right here or up here. Make sure you copy that somewhere and you reference it, save it in your cell phone, etc. Your account or your business name should show here where you see Chavito250. All right. So at this point, it will take 4 to 8 weeks to get your EIN, employee identification number, and during which those 4 weeks we'll set up our USA physical address, our USA phone number. That happens pretty quick. We'll do that now. And then once we get our EIN back, we'll set up our Payoneer bank account, which is a global bank account, not only US dollars but pounds, yen, and other foreign currencies. And then after we set up that bank account, we'll link it to our payment gateway, which will be Stripe. So I'll be showing you that now. So if you follow the link below in the description, it will take you to this address here, physicaladdress.com, where you will sign up with your business email address. Okay, so you're gonna complete your business name up here. Just take LLC. Gonna put in your name here. Just follow the prompts. Your email address, and you're gonna verify your email address. Cell phone number will be United States of America. You're gonna put in that number that we just got from physicaladdress.com here. I think -50. Okay, 346. Yeah. Okay, and then put in a password. Click next. Okay, it brings you to this page here. Seems they've included a new plan. Since I used this, I had the plan 50, which was $8.99. So lucky for you, you save $3. You could use the plan 30. Ultimately, it's just to get the address. So choose your plan, for example, plan 30. Select the location where you want your business located. You can choose Dallas, New York, it's up to you. I will go with Las Vegas, or actually Garden City, since it seems to be the cheapest. Click next. Oh, sorry. Select the site number, like the number 2366. Let's see. We can get a better number. I'll go with 294. Next. This is where you're going to put in your PayPal or credit card details here. Complete your billing information. Complete the country. And finish. Click finish. I'm not going to do this. I already have my physical address. You'll do this, and once again, congratulations, you will have a physical address in the United States of America as you just chose. Alright guys, so we've got our physical address, we've got our cell phone number. Now we can set up our bank account. However, before you can do this, remember what I said about the EIN. You will need to have your EIN number with you. It will be issued by the state of Delaware. They should have emailed it to you, and it will be a document similar to the one I'm about to show you now. So make sure the parts completed in yellow are your details, and then you take the top right corner, the number there, that is your EIN, and I'm going to show you now where you use it. So let's go into Payoneer and let us register. Alright, so to take you to this page, and let's find the right account for your needs. Okay, so you are an online seller. As a dropshipper, we are online sellers, and I'm looking to get paid by e-commerce marketplace. Okay, it'll bring you to this page. Just register. Complete everything on the page. Completed, click next. Here you're going to put in, on the next page, you're going to put in the United States of America as your country for your business. That's where we set it up. The state, you're going to complete all this according to what you set up already. But, alright, and then when you're done, I'll show you now. So once you've completed everything here, guys, it's gonna send you, you click next will open up. It's gonna send you a verification code, which you will enter here. So send verification code, and then once you get that verification code, you enter it in, and next will be available. I'm going to do the same. Now you should see this message here from Payoneer. You punch in that verification number here, and you insert it there. And then once you do that, you should have access to your Payoneer dashboard, which I'll show you next. Alright guys, once you're in the Payoneer dashboard, this is what it should look like. And basically these are the different accounts you have: US dollar account, a euro account, British pound account, and as I mentioned, there's plenty more you can add as well. For example, the yen, etc., and Canadian dollars. So at this point you have a USA bank account. Once again, congratulations. You'll be able to receive money into this bank account and then withdraw money from here into your personal bank account in your country of origin. So for example, I've got a FNB or Standard Bank account. I'll transfer my money from one of these accounts into my Standard Bank or FNB accounts. Congratulations guys, on to the next steps. Alright guys, so if you wanted to receive money into your Payoneer, basically to get these bank account details that you see here, you would have to click here at the top, receive, global payment service, you click there. Once you click there, it brings this open up here, it lets this open up here, where you can add Japanese yen, Singapore dollars, Australian dollars, for example. My approved accounts are these that you see here: Canadian dollars, UK pounds, euros, and US dollars. So if I want to see my US dollar details or my bank account details, or let me try the Canadian bank account details. You just click there, you click view details. This comes up and this shows you everything you need to know about the account: the bank name, bank address, the institution number, transit number, account number, etc. Now, if you want to add a bank account, like for example your local FNB or Standard Bank or whatever, Capital Bank, whatever bank you use, I'm going to show you those steps now. So you click here at settings, you go to bank accounts. It'll bring you here where you will choose bank accounts for withdrawal, the left option here. And then you'll choose add a bank account here. You can add up to 2 accounts. You'll be brought to this page here where you'll complete your details, personal, if it's a personal account or a business account, etc., etc. Next, you complete your bank name. So First National Bank, for example, account holder. So once you're done completing everything here, you're going to click next. It's going to add your account as a selection option, and then anytime you want to withdraw, you'll be able to withdraw from Payoneer to this account. I'm going to show you how that works next. So back on the home page, you'll notice there's this selection option at the top, withdraw to bank account. So if there was money in one of these accounts, I'll be able to withdraw. You just click to bank account. After you select that, it brings you to this selection or to the screen. You just select whichever one of your accounts in the previous page that you want to withdraw from that has a positive balance. You select the bank account you want to withdraw to, which is your personal bank account, and then you select the amount here. And just a note, Payoneer charges $15 for every transaction, so it's only worthwhile to really withdraw from here when you have large sums of money. And I think the minimal amount to withdraw is $50, so you can only withdraw $50 at a time. And I suggest you withdraw in excess of 50 or even $100. So withdraw if you have $200 or $300, then the bank charges aren't that high, or the impact is not that high. All right, guys, on to the next step in the training, where I'll be taking you through setting up your payment gateway, Stripe, using this USA bank account. All right, guys, so the last step in setting up your business is setting up your payment gateway. I've taken you through registering your business in the USA officially and effectively. I've taken you through setting up your cell phone number. I've taken you through setting up your physical address in the USA as well, and I've taken you through setting up your bank account. Now, the last process in registering your business is allowing your business to accept payments online, which is setting up your payment gateway. Now, you could use PayPal or Stripe or both, but what I recommend is using Stripe because most people today have the bank accounts, the debit cards, credit cards handy in the pockets, and usually make payments quite quickly while referencing those details. So I'm going to take you through setting up Stripe, and this entails basically using your USA business address, using your USA business phone number, as well as using your USA business bank account. So we're going to go down here and start now. It'll bring you to this page where you're going to complete your email here. Going to put in your full name that you used for your business. You're going to set up your country for your business and your passwords. not strong enough. Let me try something else. Okay, I hope that helps. Yes, but could be longer. Create an account. Once you do that, you'll be in the Stripe dashboard over here, and it's basically gonna ask for you to confirm or verify the email. Please go to your Gmail or your business Gmail that you set up, click on that link and verify so you have access to your dashboard. I'm not going to do that for the sake of this tutorial because I've already set up a Stripe account. I'm just going to talk you through how the dashboard works. On your left here, you see once your account is activated, this activates your account to disappear here. Then you've got payments, all the payments that you receive online. You've got your balances, you've got your customers that make payments to your website, any connected accounts you have to your Stripe account, the products you have linked to your Stripe, and reports. So where you'll be spending most of your time on will be between the home, payments, balance, and customers. As a beginning dropshipper, that's where you'll spend most of your time. Customers to check who's made payments to see what payments are being made. You'll see if there's any sort of fraudulent payments being paid, trying to be made on your website, the type of transactions, and the value of the transactions. Not going to talk any further about this. This integrates with your Payoneer, and I'm going to show you that now. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the bottom here, go to account details, and here you are going to fill in the account details of your business. That is your Payoneer bank account details. Here you're going to complete your Payoneer personal information details as well. Your physical address that you set up in the USA will go here. This business name will show up on your customer's bank statements. So you can have a shortened description of that statement description if you want, your business website, your support website, your privacy policies, and terms of service. These you will link to your website when we've created your website, so don't worry about that shit. But just complete what you can and save and close. Once this is integrated, or your banking details are integrated here, as soon as a payment is made, Stripe will wait, I think 4 to 7 business days, I'm not sure, but there is a retention period for them in case you have any customer returns, etc. on products. So there is a retention period with the money, but then soon after, I think max 5 business days, it's paid into your bank account, which will be your Payoneer bank account. And then from your Payoneer bank account, you will withdraw it with the steps I showed you in the previous screen before. Alright guys, so congratulations, you are officially an e-commerce business owner. You can make payments online, you can receive payments online, and this is the beginning to drop shipping. Whether you're a drop shipping business professional, whether you're going into affiliate marketing as an official business, which I always suggest, because any one of these e-commerce business models, I suggest you follow these steps. You register an official business, and whether you're producing content, you will use this business, you will use this bank account, you will use these contact details and this payment gateway. I hope you've had value in this first session of the training in terms of creating your business. If you're enjoying my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do drop a like. And if you have any questions or comments, please do leave them in the comment section below this video. And seeing you in the next session of my tutorial. Cheers, guys.